Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your device model and OS version so you pick the correct method. Have your Apple ID or Google account credentials available to verify ownership. Once done, charge the device to at least 20% and connect to Wi-Fi to avoid interruptions. Next, try a simple restart. Power off, wait 10 seconds, power on. If the lock persists, move straight to recovery or account based on lock steps described in the next slide. If restarting didn't work, put the device into recovery mode and connect to a PC or Mac to run a factory restore. This wipes data but removes locks. Alternatively, use Find My Apple or Find My Device, Google, to sign in and attempt an unlock or remote erase. These services validate your account before action. Make sure to follow on-screen prompts carefully and confirm backups exist if you can. Because restoring will remove local content, and after a successful erase or restore, reinstall the system software and sign into your account. Once signed in, restore from backup if available to recover apps and data. Make sure to set a new screen lock and enable Backup plus Find Device services to prevent future lockouts. If the restore fails, try a different computer, USB cable, or ports. These simple swaps often fix detection issues. If problems persist, contact official support with proof of purchase for assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.